Hello, Chippewa community. My name is Molly Holohan, and I'm the principal of Chippewa Middle School, and I'd like to officially welcome you to the 22-23 school year. We certainly hope your family had an amazing summer. I know our staff had a chance to get away and relax, and in general just get rejuvenated and excited for the 22-23 school year. Our teachers have worked summer hours where they have improved their lessons. Teams of teachers have come together to talk about how best to embed more social emotional learning into students' day. And our Building Instructional Leadership team will be meeting throughout August to create Chippewa's school improvement plan so that we can ensure that we have an excellent education for your student to experience throughout their middle school years. Our Welcome Back mailing is on its way. It should hit mailboxes by mid-August. It's going to contain a lot of helpful information, including important dates and contact information for staff members. It will have an invitation to our Welcome Back event, which is on Tuesday, August 30th from 2 p.m. until 7 p.m. And teachers will be available from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is the event where you can turn in forms, students get their locker assignments and their class schedules, you take their school pictures. The Welcome Back mailing also will have an AB calendar for 6th graders, the daily bell schedule, and transportation and lunch information. The first day of school for 6th graders is for 6th graders only, and that's on Tuesday, September 6th. It is a full day orientation that we call the In the Middle Day, and then the first day for all students is Wednesday, September 7th. In the mailing, you'll get a little bit of a preview of what students are going to be learning about, both in content in their classrooms, as well as how to interact with each other and staff, both in class and in the hallways and at lunch. We're calling it Taking Charge of Our Community. And CHARGE stands for Connect, Honor, Accept, Reflect, Grow, and Empathize. In the mailing, there's some special information regarding expectations for Chromebook use and for cell phone use for students. We really want to intentionally teach students how best to use these devices that they have at their disposal. So we are really excited to see students. We know that these final days of summer will fly by. We're actively working to create a safe and supportive environment. We're eager to start the 22-23 school year, and we have awesome plans for each and every student to experience academic, social, and emotional growth. The bottom line is we are glad your family is part of our community, and we'll see you soon. Take care.